Good morning, student. Now please watch it very carefully. Here AB is parallel to CD. This is the symbol for parallel. ठीक है. Find unknown angle. What are the unknown angle? X, Y and 75. So now just look at the figure clearly. You can understand everything from the figure. So this is parallel line. Okay. So it is the form of Z. Z always means alternate interior angle. It's mean the value of Y is 75 degree. Now these are the co-interior angle, and we know that the sum of co-interior angle is 180 degree. So that's why x plus 75 is equal to x plus 75 is equal to 180 degree. And the second way is these are linear pair. So x plus y is equal to 180. So you can get the value of x in two way, either through co-interior or by linear pair. In this figure, these questions can be done with a different way. So don't worry, you can also do with your own way. Fine. So here, first of all, I just find the value of y, okay, by making it corresponding angle. These are two parallel line. This is above, this complete is above. Fine. So these are corresponding angle. So that's why 130 is equal to y plus 70. So y is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Now y is equal to 60. Now 130 is equal to z plus y because it is creating a triangle. Fine. So exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. Fine. So I put the value of y and then I get the value of z. This is a straight angle. Sum of a straight angle is 180 degree. So that's why I put the value of y, then I get the value of x. Here in this question, AB is parallel to CD. Fine. AB is parallel to CD. Now we know that we can get the x by alternate interior angle. So what we did, we assume it as angle 1. Now these are linear pair. Due to linear pair, the value of angle 1 is 60 degree. So the value of x is 60 degree by alternate interior angle. Similarly, we create angle 2 with 115. So we get the value of angle 2. Again, this is alternate interior angle. The value of 2 is equal to the value of z. So this is a straight angle. X plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree. So put the value of x and z, you get the value of y. Fine. In this question, we have to find the value of x. So what we are doing, we construct a line which is parallel to both, AB and CD. So if it is 90, so it divides into two parts. Two parts doesn't mean they are equal part. Okay. Fine. So it means if one part is y, another part is 90 minus y. Now these are two parallel lines. This is a transversal. So these are become the co-interior angle. It's mean the sum of these should be equal to 180 degree. Fine. 180 degree. So here we get the value of y as 50 degree. Also these are co-interior angle. So sum of these also equal to 180 degree. So we put the value of y and get the value of x. Similarly here we have to draw a constructions. We have to make a construction which is parallel to AB as well as to CD. Fine. It divides x into two parts as angle 1 and angle 2. Fine. It's mean x is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. So this is alternate interior angle. So angle 1 is equal to 40 degree. Angle 2, alternate interior angle. Angle 2 is equal to 50 degree. It's mean x should be 1 plus 2. It's mean 40 plus 50 is equal to 90 degree. Here just see that value of y should be 120 degree. Find vertically opposite angle. You can assume an angle 1 vertically opposite to z. That is 1. It's mean 1 is also z. Fine. So z plus 120 is equal to 180 degree. Fine. It's mean these are co-interior angle. You get the value of z as 180 minus 120. Here it is a linear pair. You get the value by getting it linear pair. You can make it corresponding angle, or you can also find it through alternate interior angle. Two ways to find the value of t, either corresponding angle, co-interior angle, or alternate interior angle. Fine. In this question, the value of x should be 70 because this is alternate interior angle. Fine. Now x plus z is 180 degree due to linear pair. You get the value of z. Now y is equal to x because of alternate interior angle. These are two parallel line and this is become a transversal. Fine. Next question. Here I create y degree equal to 1, angle 1. Angle 1 means y degree because these are vertically opposite angle. Fine. Value of z should be 100 because of corresponding angle. Value of x should be 100 because of alternate interior angle. Value of y, x plus y is equal to 180 degree, co-interior angle. You get the value of y as 80 degree. This is question ki whether these are parallel lines or not. Fine. So what we did here, I create an angle here 1. Fine. So co-interior angle. Fine. If this is 130, it should be 50 because every time the sum of co-interior angle is 180 degree. Fine. If this is 50 but here it is 40, 50 cannot equal to be 40. It's mean these are not creating a vertically opposite angle. If they are not vertically opposite angle, it equal, then these lines are not parallel. This is the symbol not parallel. This is symbol for parallel. This is symbol for not parallel. Means the situation is, if the lines are parallel, then the vertically opposite angle should be equal. If the vertically opposite angles are not equal, it means the lines are not parallel. The condition is not fulfilled. Here also, here I create this angle, angle 1, and I get the value of angle 1 as 100 degree due to linear pair. This should be equal to this. We get the value of angle 1 as 100. This is corresponding angle. This is also 100. It means the value is same. Hence, these lines are parallel. Thank you. Have a nice day.